Standard bike check, 2007 Sunday Wave frame. Got it back off a friend of mine, and I brought it back to life. So, what the hell? Let's get this started. Animal bars, 8.5 volt rise. They're 29 width, pretty nice. Primo, one lever. Going to that new Odyssey linear slick. Odyssey, it's old school Odyssey stem, top load. You can flip it upside down or right side up. Pretty cool. Standard headset. The exposure fork. This is a really nice fork for $70. It fits tires up to 2.4, which is pretty cool. Dual tapered legs, super strong, 5mm dropouts. The only downside about the fork, it doesn't have the built-in fork race. But if you know what you're doing, it comes out something like this. It looks really nice though. There goes the exposure cap, pretty cool. Primo grips, signature nice tri grips. Odyssey power ends. The frame is a 2007 Sunday Wave frame, first wave. Comes down to my cranks. Fifth flow street crank with a profile spindle. The pedals are Jim Sininsky PCs. Mechanic sprocket. What's cool about the sprocket is it sits on the spindle, and it does not require a sprocket adapter to keep it in place. KNC 510 chain. This chain is really nice because of the links. They're super strong. And this is the cable I was referring to. It's all in one piece, easy to install, very easy to install, and it has a lot of power for such a detailed cable. And it's true what they say about that cable. It actually feels super fresh when you first install it on your bike. Your brakes are 10 times better than normal, which is really cool. Shadow Conspiracy C-clamp. The McNeil post bike got slammed. Standard PC plastic seat. Not too crazy about it, but who cares? It's a seat. Got the Odyssey brake pads with the brakes. Back rows, the Odyssey Hazard light rim, lace with black spoke, black nip. To the V3 cassette from Odyssey with an actual driver. Pegs are Odyssey, not Odyssey, We the People. G-Sport gland or hump guards. They're attached to the spokes. Pretty okay. This ain't too bad of a bike after bringing it back. This is the same bike that was on Sunday Friends. It actually had the director fork, so on and so forth on it, but I decided to switch it up. We'll come over here. There's my third wave. It's out of commission for now. I managed to destroy my chain and my destroyed my bottom cable. But I can grab it here real quick, and let's put it right here. And just kind of, I apologize about the camera moving up and down, but had to grab it. But I can like literally walk you through. Bring it over here. And here's my house keys. Gotta get that out the way real quick. Throw it over there. Again, this is a Sunday third wave. I managed to destroy my cable for the bottom, which that's nothing too bad. Ain't like I can't replace that or fix it. But I can walk you through the parts of this bike and what I'm gonna have on it. Can't wait. I'm gonna have profile hubs. Hell yeah, throw my shorts over there. I'm gonna have a pair of profile hubs in white, black spoke, black nip, laced to Cinema 77s. And they're gonna be hooked up to this bike. I think it's gonna be pretty damn cool. But yeah, I walk you through the parts. Gary Young bar signatures. They're 8.66 in height. They were 28, cut them down to 26. ODI long neck XLs, cut them down to the length I want them at. Odyssey medium or monolever. Pardons from Odyssey white. Sunday freestem, pretty nice. Odyssey compression boat. Odyssey headset. Snobble Mobius gyro. S2 director. Pretty cool. Come over here. 2012 third wave. Real nice frame. Top through length is 20.75. Sunday AC clamp. Odyssey convertible post. Odyssey Gary Young principal saddle. Pretty nice saddle. Not too bad. Gary Young. Yeah, you rock. Like I said, this is the gyro. That's the Odyssey the Ranger or detangler. Evo 2s. There's nothing wrong with the Evo 2s. I just gotta reattach everything again. Profile cranks. MDS sprocket. If I want to take out that sprocket, I might put maybe a 27. Because the ratio 27:9. There's the back of the frame. Pretty damn nice. Can't wait to get this thing running again. It's gonna be pretty damn nice. Like I said, I'm gonna rock profile parts. I might swap the stem out for a profile, but I don't know. We'll stay with that for now. See what happens. Like I said, I got 2 Sundays, which are pretty cool. 1/3 wave. Turn over here. That's my crazy cat. And here's the Sunday first wave. Comment, rate. Let me know what you guys think. If anybody knows where there is a second wave frame from Sunday, which I'll say again, second wave. I'm looking for one because my brother's like, you know what? You're a big fan of Sunday. What the hell? Start a collection. Get the first, second, and third wave series frames, and possibly get the sound wave frame. Not yet. We'll wait on that when I get the other 2 or the other one built. But yeah, that's it so far. It's a pretty good setup for now, and so I can swap that stem out, get something a little bit better. Probably another Sunday top load, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's it. Like I said, comment, rate, subscribe. Oh yeah, I almost forgot one thing about my bike. Tires. Maxxis Grifters. Folding 2.1 front and back, but I'm gonna swap it out. I'm gonna put a 1.85 in the back and a 2.1. Leave it. But yeah, that's about it. And let me see if I got anything. I don't think I did. But yeah, let's see if I can get a hub check here real quick. Let me get the bike and flip it upside down here. Let me see if I can get a hub check, or at least a hub sound. Let me see here if I can get something that can hold the back up. And walk over here real quick. And that's my other bike, 2003 Miro Pro. Gotta get that one running soon. Yeah. And I got a bunch of pegs, the Odyssey. These pegs are really nice. It's a park peg, half chromoly, half aluminum. Pretty cool. Another set of Odyssey pegs. Another peg right there. Primo Hope Guard for your driver, which is pretty cool. Plastic park peg. Got a lot of stuff with BMX. Another park peg. I'm just walking around with all sorts of fucking parts. Let me see if I can find something I can raise that damn thing up real quick. Oh wait, I know exactly what I can find. Let me kind of walk over here real fast. Yes, I'm a Yugi fan.
Play that too, but what the hell? I only play that on weekends.
Let me kind of get this over there real quick. Give it a small kick. Right. As you can see, the wheel is straight up and down. There's no wobble. This bike's perfect. It's perfect.
It's set up for park, but it's my emergency bike. But yeah, like I said, it's pretty good. For 2007, and it's 2013 now, it lasted pretty good. It's a Longo frame. But yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Let's give it another check here.
Nice. And then they got Deviant. Pretty nice. Alright guys, I'm gone.